Moules marinières is a French classic. We're talking about mussels steamed in a fragrant, rich broth. This is a dish that I love to cook. I love to eat it. The ingredients are cheap. They're easy to find, so there's no reason at all why you shouldn't give this one a try. As for the ingredients, the star of the show are these mussels. You can see what they look like here. You'll want to make sure when you're giving them a rinse that you discard anything that is broken or open and the shell is not moving. Sometimes you'll see them open and close. That's good. That means they're alive. Moving from left to right, we've got our aromatics: celery, fat, shallot, which is from my garden. I'm very proud of that. 2 cloves of garlic. For the herbage, we've got parsley, thyme, and a bay leaf. And then we have some butter we're going to use to saute the aromatics, and some white wine and cream for the broth. First step, we're going to mince our aromatics, starting with our shallot. Ridiculous. Next up is the garlic. Time to cook. We're gonna start by sauteing our aromatics. In goes our butter. Okay, they've been going for about 3 minutes. So we're gonna give them a little bit of salt. Throw in those bay leaves. Now, in go our mussels. We're gonna put them in one shot. We wanna make sure we coat. Here, see, this one is broken. This one comes out. I was saying we need to coat the mussels, make sure they all get introduced very well. Throw in a few sprigs of thyme. That's about 3/4 cup of wine. You can see the exact ingredients in the description to this video. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. And when we have it at a boil, I'm gonna throw in the parsley. Make sure it gets nice and coated with all of that wine. Okay, lid goes on. 5 to 6 minutes, that's it. Okay, it's been about 5.5 minutes. You can see those mussels are all the way opened up. Our next step is to transfer the mussels into a bowl. We have to be really careful to leave all of the broth in the pot because we're gonna add some cream to that to finish the sauce. Now, to finish the sauce, we're gonna add something like 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. We'll let that reduce. And then we're gonna ladle that back over the mussels. Gonna adjust the seasoning just a little bit, gonna give it a little salt. Okay, and our final step, you're gonna ladle that broth right back over your mussels, which I've transferred into my serving dish using a shallow bowl. The French classic Moules marinières. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. That's the best way you can support this channel. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh my God. Make sure you have a good bread to sop up the broth. That's the best part. Serve mom first.